Hey, welcome to Ice Age TV. Am I sweating today? Good Lord, on my third project, my fourth project. So here's the deal today. I've already done my bed rug. I've already done my tonneau cover on my F-150 Lightning truck here. And now it's mud flap day. Jeez, what project. Yeah, if you're following my Ice Age TV channel, you know that I just got a brand new F-150 Lightning. And I'm sharing all my fun of my F-150 Lightning. And now, what I want to do is put on some nice mud flaps for us. I'm a mud flap guy. In fact, I talked in great detail about that F450 over there, but I'm glad the guy put mud flaps on it. So here for the brand new F-150 Lightning I picked up Tuesday this past week, I'm just getting it all ready to maybe take a road trip. So I may take this to Tennessee on a 380-mile road trip to see how far I get, right? But meanwhile, I'm trying to get it all set up. And what's not comforting, Kuhn's Flame 4 got these in 41122. So, there was no Lightning truck sitting around that time. So I'm assuming it's just generic. Well, why wouldn't it be? I mean, I think the body from a F-150 gas to electric's the exact same thing for the most part. So follow me along as I see if I can put on some mud flaps today, the factory ones, and figure out what I'm doing here. Uh-oh, these type of things start scaring me. You see brackets? I dread it. It's the worst. Jeez, this is the rear. Oh boy. Not excited about that. So let's check out the, here is the big ass mud guard, right? Should I kind of understand now? Maybe, but you know what? Let's see. Is this going to work? So there's the clips. I understand that. There's that. There's that. So maybe not as radical as I think. We'll see. All right, the fronts look pretty simple. So that's exciting. The back, a little bit more of a project. But, why not the Ford logo? I guess their thoughts are the front running boards are going to hide it. So let's see how this is going to look. This should be pretty straightforward. Yeah, look at that. Yep, that'll be pretty straightforward. So that shouldn't be too big a deal. Famous last words. Well, I figure I'll do the back. This ought to be the PO'd mode first. I'll just get the back ones done to get my aggravation out. Make the hard part first. So, hope I'm wrong, but looks like a little bit of a project with this bracket. So we'll see. All right, so the first thing you got to do is you got to pop these little bad boys. That's the first project. Should have brought my light back from Tennessee. I regret that. It's great having this type of tool to pop these out. They're just plugs, plastic plugs. So now what we do, we're going to put these clips in. See these clips? It's saying we put these little metal clips in right here. Okay. So that's what we're going to do next. Slide it over that hole. Backwards, duh. Make sure you put it on where the screw goes through, if you know what I mean. So that's pretty simple there. Thank goodness on that part. So let's see. Now I kind of make sure the holes line up before you get too far into this. All right, pretty simple here. Number 7mm. And my little right-hand tool I use, power tool, it's too tight with this tire. Pretty big tire. So I'm just able to screw this by hand. So that's good. Now I get my little ratchet out there and tighten it down. Then I'll get underneath here to figure out that bracket. I don't think it's that radical, but who knows till you get to it, right? All right, now the next thing they do, this is kind of creative. What they're doing lately is they have you wrap, it's kind of tacky to a degree, but you wrap this around so you can clip it. But, if you look at this, it's not like, to me, the most perfect fit. I guess it is. Let's watch. So they give you these clips, and that's what you do. You clip it. So you wrap this around like that, and you take this clip right here, and you manhandle it so you can kind of get it on, which you probably may need a tool, but no. I'll have to tap a little bit, but it's kind of what you're looking at right there. And then this one down here like this. So this one's not really going as well. It's funny, it's hitting like a screw behind it. Interesting. All right, so the bracket setup isn't that bad. So you're gonna pop this plug and put in some clips. What you're doing here is this. See here? So get a better view here. Pop this clip out, and then you put a clip in here, and there you go. All right, so use the bigger clip and the bigger bolt here. Okay, so now pretty easy peasy. Just put that up there like that. Put your bolt through it, and bing bam done. All right, so we got that done. Now, you know, it's kind of goofy because you're not paying attention here. You'll put this screw in backwards, it'll be hitting your damn tire. And then this here, I mean, yeah, whatever. All right, the rear is set up. Now to the right side rear. All right, we got her. Now, be sure you know how to put these clips in. If you don't put these clips in right, you're gonna have everything backwards, where that bolt will be going downwards, and that screw will be going into the tire. So you gotta be smarter than the frickin' clip. All right, I think it looks good. Now the right side. All right, got it done. Look at the size of those wheel motors underneath there. Man, that suspension and all, it's pretty badass, isn't it? Now to the front. All right, the fronts. On the fronts, the fronts. You know, something I didn't do in these back. Forget this. It's overkill. So I'll probably just trim that out right there with my X-Acto knife. This thing ain't going nowhere. But anyways, to the front, it looks pretty simple. Looks like 2 screws and these clips. So follow me along. So the old handy dandy. You need to get one of these at the parts store if you don't have one, because oh, look at this. This is screws. Ah, we got there, huh? Probably 2 different ones on these guys. Wow, I'll be blown away. And it's just simple, but wow, see a little handy tool there? Best damn thing you could ever buy. They're just showing you line these things back up, put some new screws in. Hard to believe. Wow, this is too damn simple. I'm glad I did the back first, because now the aggravation factor is more happiness. Sometimes in life, take on the harder challenges and let the easier ones be later, because you kind of get tired and frustrated, if you know what I mean. This is great. So now you just clip it. You just bend these things back through this there and that there, and it's clipperoo. See here? Take it and push it real hard with your finger there, and then bing bam, done. Wow, loving this install. It's never simple though, right? Not done yet. So I tried to grab this with one hand. Ah, there it is. Wow, awesome. So I want to turn the wheel the other way now. All right, we're all done. I got it. Fronts are simple, easy peasy. Just take screws out, put screws in, clip. So my F-150 Lightning truck, there go the dogs. They go nuts every time I shoot a video. So there's the look. Kind of hard to see in the garage, but I think it looks good. Very happy. So I hope this video helped you. Install your brand new mud flaps, factory OEM F-150 general. It's generic. Unless you have like the Tremor package, maybe fender flares, but the Lightning package here, it's real simple. Back one's a little more of a challenge, but nothing big. But once again, hope my Ice HCV helped you have a better day on trying to install something on your nice truck. Hope everybody has a great day and a blessed day. So wow, what a day, huh? I mean, what an accomplishment. With the F-150 Lightning today, I knocked out the bed rug, I knocked out the tonneau cover, and I just knocked out the mud flaps, or splash guards, whatever you want to call them. Wow. Is it time for a beer? Yeah, it's like 5, but you know what I need to do? I need to be riding around cutting grass. Where the hell's my kid? Where the hell's the F-450? That kid just escaped on me again? Jesus, I'll tell you. Any sympathy around here? Hey, everybody have a blessed day, and hope you enjoy watching my videos, and hit subscribe and share the info. Well, looky who came back home after a long day, and guess what she's doing? She's getting this badass F450 ready for Mars Car Show. So she's sprit shining it right now. Yeah, I told her to get it all cleaned up so we can show it off tomorrow. How about that idea? Looks good, I think. I mean, probably could knock off a little bit of mud underneath there, but so far, I mean, when you wash these big trucks, I'm just telling her, it turns into a 2-hour project. How do I know? I've owned them. I mean, the truck to me overall is clean. It's got a bit of film right here of dirt, but we can clean that up with my speed shine, you know. So, anyways, the kid is excited about driving this tomorrow for the car show, the Sunday morning conversations. And for me, when she's done with that, we're going to come in here and we're going to sprit shine my F-150 Lightning. And that'll be tomorrow's the gas versus electric day. How about that idea?